Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code Weasel in Destiny 2. This error typically points to a connection problem or corrupted game files. Your first step should always be to restart both your game and your internet router. This simple action can often resolve temporary network glitches. Also, double-check that your Destiny 2 client is completely up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes trigger this error. Next, let's dive into network troubleshooting. A hard reset of your gaming device can clear out any lingering data causing issues. It's also crucial to check your internet speed. You'll want at least 5 megabits per second for a smooth experience. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for enhanced stability. Finally, ensure your firewall or antivirus isn't mistakenly blocking Destiny 2's access to the internet. Now, let's address game file integrity and account specifics. Use your platform's built-in tools to verify your game files. This can repair any corrupted data. PC players should also clear their download cache in their respective launchers. Importantly, make sure you're not logged into Destiny 2 on more than one device at the same time, as this can trigger the Weasel error. Also, quickly check your Bungie.net account for any active suspensions. For more advanced troubleshooting, try temporarily disabling UPnP on your router and manually forwarding Destiny 2's ports. You might also benefit from changing your DNS servers to public options like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. If these steps don't work, a complete reinstallation of Destiny 2 could be necessary. Remember, if the problem persists, reaching out to Bungie support with all your troubleshooting details is your best next step for personalized help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.